Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to review the beastly 2025 HP OMEN 17 gaming laptop, a powerhouse that's built for gamers, creators, and performance enthusiasts alike. Right pointing finger emoji. Before diving in, make sure to check the link in the description below for the best deal available today. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Let's get started. So, what makes this laptop such a game changer? Fire emoji. First off, the 17.3 inches Full HD display with a 144Hz refresh rate is buttery smooth, perfect for fast-paced FPS titles and esports gaming. The colors pop, and motion is crisp and fluid. Personal computer emoji. Under the hood, it's powered by AMD's new Ryzen 5 8645HS processor, which now includes an AI NPU Engine, artificial intelligence inside your CPU. It actually helps optimize performance dynamically, making multitasking and gaming smoother than ever. And it even beats out Intel's i7-12700H in several benchmarks. Video game emoji, paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050, 6GB, you're getting real-time ray tracing, DLSS 3.5, and stunning graphics that bring your games and 3D projects to life. Brain emoji, and get this. It comes with 64GB of DDR5 RAM and a 2TB Gen 4 SSD. That's not just fast, that's warp speed. No more load time frustrations. Everything opens instantly. Light bulb emoji, the RGB backlit keyboard adds the gamer aesthetic, and the layout is super comfortable for both gaming and productivity. Gale emoji, cooling? It's on point. HP's advanced thermal tech keeps this machine running cool, even when you're maxing out settings in AAA games. Electric plug emoji, it's got all the ports you need, USB-C, HDMI, and more, and it's fully Wi-Fi 6 ready, meaning your online matches stay lag-free. Speech bubble emoji, final thoughts. If you want a future-proof gaming laptop with AI-enhanced performance, a massive RAM boost, killer visuals, and desktop-like storage, the 2025 HP OMEN 17 checks every single box. It's an absolute monster. So if you're serious about performance, this is one of the best laptops you can get in 2025. Down pointing finger emoji, check the link below for the latest price and availability, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.